Yo, outside's looking blam.
What?
What are you gonna get?
Bro, I said yesterday, oh my god, we were all done. Even David, he was sitting out.
Sanitization?
For the nation. It's called a mukbang.
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 Oh, yeah.
So I got mushroom chicken, orange chicken, and plain rice. I'm not sure why, but I did. You got kung pao chicken and Beijing chicken.
Oh, yeah, Beijing beef.
Beijing. First bite. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. It's phenomenal.
Phenomenal. It's good. It's really good.
You think Panda Hut Express uses MSG?
Maybe.
I hope so.
Look at the seagulls. Where is everyone? Why is there no food on the ground?
Seagulls. He was like, oh, where's our people?
Like literally they're chilling, they're like wondering, they're like, people are gonna get out of their car and drop some food on the floor? Or we
Like,
gonna
usually
starve
there's
to
some
death?
kids out here dropping some food out here. Where they all at?
Oh my god, seagulls in a parking lot. The world is healing itself.
We are the virus, not corona. Yo, you think they really smell our food?
I don't know, they're looking me straight in the eyeball, bro.
Where?
Right here, there's two of them.
Holy shit! Can seagulls smell food in a car?
I don't think so. I think they see us eating.
Seagulls see us eating?
They don't have eyesight?
Yeah, you're right. Oh, there's another bird! And it's not even the same race.
Where?
I don't know, it was a black one.
A crow?
Give us some food.
I'll drop some food out after.
Is it fucked up to give it chicken? Oh.
The other one ditched.
Everyone's like, yo, these people ain't giving us food, I'm out.
There's actually a lot of them.
It's like a nightclub.
Yeah.
You waited in line too long, he's like, yo, I'm bouncing, yo. This one's waiting, he really want to get in. Like, yo, don't worry, they're gonna drop some food. Don't worry, Jerry. Gaika!
There's like a video on TikTok. This girl got attacked by a goose.
Yeah, that's pretty
And then it came inside the car.
Goose, like, they never forget what you've done to them.
I don't think that girl did anything to it.
She must have.
A plural of moose?
Yeah.
Why is it not meese? Like you just say moose. Like look at that pack of moose.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, it's just moose.
It's not mooses?
I don't think it's mooses.
Yeah, you're right. Wait, what's a single moose then?
Moose. And then plural is just moose.
Look at all the mooses. Oh, look at all the moose.
And the more you say, the more it sounds wrong.
Yeah.
I'm saying it so confidently. Somebody's in the comments is like, it's just totally wrong.
Excuse me, it's not moose, it's moose.
It's moose.
I'm gonna search this.
Yeah,
up.
Google it just in case I don't look up.
The usual plural of moose is moose.
Yeah, see?
Moose is moose. Moose is moose. Goose is geese. What is that, Ferrari?
Rum rubber? The seagull's still here.
Seagull's really waiting for Judgment Day. Oh shit, it came.
Babe, shut up. There's another one. Grab it before the other one gets it. Okay, he got
Throw
it.
it to the right. This one's coming.
There's the police!
It's the police.
It's PETA!
I saw you feed seagulls.
Babe, there's more of them coming.
Holy shit, there's a lot. Oh god.
Yeah, babe, they're swarming, bro. We threw one and now they're fucking surrounding us.
I don't
There's
know if we should
four.
have done that, to be
There's
honest.
four over here.
Holy shit, they're... Whoa, where are they coming from? They literally just came from the clouds. This guy just birthed them and was like, go get your food.
One pepper.
Look, they're coming all the way from over there. Do they talk, you think?
I think that when they go,
Like, yo, Jerry, there's food over here.
babe, don't let one of them inside you. I'm scared.
Why would they come inside? They're scared of us. Oh! Holy shit, that one came close.
Do they have seagulls everywhere?
Only by the sea.
I swear one of them's gonna hit our car.
We're like, yo, give me more.
Apparently Panda Express made orange chicken.
What?
Does Panda Express serve panda? What the fuck? Inventing orange chicken.
Wow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All our social media links are in the description below. And we'll see you guys next video. Peace out.
I wake up every day with Panda.
I wake up every morning chasing a check. I'm just trying to be the greatest, I can settle for less. If you fucking with my money, then I'll shoot out your chest. Got that gang up in the building and we fuck up the set. I'm counting cash all day, okay. I'm in the trap all night and day, every day, getting paid, yeah, yeah. I'm just stepping on the gas and it's full throttle.